Okay. Right hand side on the left jaw, everybody. Okay. Everybody, 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 everybody. Okay, fantastic. Put it up for yourselves. Put it up for yourself. Put it up for yourself. And have your seat. You just told me that James' lesson was fantastic and you got it. Your leadership is 10 over 10. Clap for yourselves, please. You know why? Because I did this exercise all the time. I'm training and people always get it wrong. This is the first time that they're getting it right. This is the first time they're getting it right. You know why? Because when I say do this, put it here, I ask them to put it here and I put it here. Everybody always puts it here. They're always putting where I'm putting. So they always forget to put it here. So what that means is that as a leader, what you say is not too important than what you do. Think about that. If you're telling people to go south and you're going north, they'll follow you north. It's only intelligent people like you that you will not follow to the wrong direction. But almost everywhere I've done this training around the world, people always follow the wrong direction. And I don't think that's leadership. So what am I saying? Your body language is so powerful. Back in Africa, I attended a service where the pastor was preaching ministry, and the pastor said, on the 10th of September, guess what the interpreter said? Le 3 Septembre, that was in French. And the pastor said on the 10th, meaning that on the 10th, making like this, the body language was what the interpreter saw. So that's what the interpreter saw was what he interpreted. So that's the power of body language. So we need to be very careful the way we communicate. If you are telling the people the aircraft was kicking off, the fish was swimming in water. As we're walking, we found a street and the snake almost bite. So you have to show. So you have to walk the talk. Act everything. One of your jobs as a speaker is to act what you're saying. Because the moment you don't act, you're boring. You're boring. Okay, quickly. Speeding. Now, we have some people by genetic inclination that are very fast speakers. Anybody here? Fast speakers? Okay. Okay, my Toastmasters friend. Okay. So what do you do? You know, I had an incredible opportunity to meet the former global speakers president, Martin. Charlotte just took over for Martin. Charlotte is a South African lady. She's now the current president of the Global Speakers Federation. Before it was Martin. So I met Martin a few months ago in Singapore, and I asked Martin, what's your best secret in public speaking? Martin asked me to give him some few minutes. After he said, Oliver, I'm ready. He walked up to me, he said, Oliver, this is my best secret in public speaking. When you're talking to people, when you walk up to the stage, don't say anything. Maintain some silence. Then, when you make a point, take a step, make a point. Allow the people to think. Then you take another step, you make another point, allow people to think. Take another step and make a point, allow people to think. And don't be like this. Don't come to the stage and immediately start talking. Hello, everybody. I'm so happy to be here. How many of you are excited to be here today? When you do this, you're behaving like the young tiger. That is distracting. And people don't like speakers that are anxious. So when you make your point, you take a stand, allow people to reflect and think about what you're saying. And that was Martin's best public speaking tip. And so that is what works here. When you speed, you spoil it. So take your time and speak slowly